I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making the phone ready. Clear at least a couple gigabytes and charge to 50% or more so recording won't stop. Open your built-in 360 or panorama mode. If unavailable, install a trusted 360 camera app and grant camera and storage permissions. Next, mount the phone on a compact tripod or hold it steady at chest height. This keeps the horizon level and reduces stitching errors. Once done, pick a slow, smooth rotation path and start recording in a single steady. Now you manage the capture itself by moving deliberately. Rotate the phone slowly and maintain a steady speed so the app can stitch frames cleanly. Make sure exposure and focus are locked, or use manual settings to prevent brightness jumps between segments. This matters especially with changing light. If you need multiple passes, overlap areas by about 10 to 20% to give the software matching points. Also, avoid walking through the scene while recording. Static scenes stitch much more reliably. You finish by stopping the recording and allowing the app to process the stitch completely. This can take a few minutes. Export using Equirectangular or the app's 360 format so viewers and platforms recognize it as immersive content. Preview the result and look for seams or warped areas. If you see visible errors, re-record with steadier rotation, more overlap, or improved lighting. If problems persist, switch to a tripod, increase overlap, or try a different 360 app. Those changes usually solve common stitching issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.